Good morning, everyone. Myself supriya.h. In this semester, we discuss about the theory of. In this session, we discuss about the second semester unit 4 topic theory of plane curves. In that one, working rule to find out the position and nature of the double points and problems on that. Working rule for finding the position and nature of the double point of the curve f of x comma y is equal to 0. To find out this, to determine the position of the double point, first find out del f by del x is equal to 0 and del f by del y is equal to 0. We have to find out del f by del x and del f by del y and equate this to 0 and solve this. And you, after solving the points, those points which satisfies this equation, so then that is the position of the double points. And to find the nature of the double point, shift the origin to the double point and find the nature of the double points at the new origin and hence determine the nature of the double point. So this is a one method to find out the position and nature of the double point. And the next, in this form also we can find out the nature of the double point. Del is equal to del square f by del x del y whole square. Delta is equal to this minus dou square f by dou y square into dou square f by dou x square. Here the point P is, that is the double point, is a node cusp or conjugate point. If this, what is this delta is there, it should be greater than 0, then if point is node. If delta is equal to 0, then cusp. If delta is less than 0, then it is a conjugate point. Determine the position and nature of the double point for the curve x square minus y square minus 7x square plus 4y plus 15x minus 13 is equal to 0. Consider the given equation as f of x comma y. First, we have to find out the del f by del x and del f by del y. Del f by del x means partial derivative of the function f with respect to x. That is, with respect to x means y acts like a constant. So x cube is 3x square minus 0 minus 14x. This is also become 0 plus 15. And this is a constant 0. So we have got 3x square minus 14x plus 15. And del f by del y is equal to, this is 0 minus 2y and this is also 0 plus 4. This is only the x variables with a constant. This is acts like a constant with respect to y. This is also 0. The double points are obtained by solving the equations del f by del x is equal to 0 and del f by del y is equal to 0. So consider 3x square minus 14x plus 15 is equal to 0 and minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. So look here, 3x square minus 14x can be split as minus 9x minus 15x, right? 9 minus 9 minus y means minus 14, right? Plus 15 is equal to 0. Here in these two terms, we can take 3x as common. 3x, the remaining is x minus 3. Minus 5 is common here, minus 5 of x minus 3, minus 15, right? That is equal to 0. So x minus 3 into 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 3 and also 3x minus 5 is equal to 0 means 3x minus 3x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 by 3. These are the points of x. And look at for the point of y. My del f by del y is minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. So minus 2y, shift this 4 to right hand side, we have minus 4. So minus minus get cancelled, y is equal to 4 by 2, that is 2. So we have got the point of x and y. Here there is a possible double points are 3 comma 2 and 5 by 3 comma 2. So these are the possible double points. If we know the double point of the curve, we have to, these 2 points should satisfy the given equation f of x comma y is equal to 0. If it satisfies these equations, in these equations 3 comma 2, it satisfies the given equation, and the point 5 comma 3 comma 2 does not satisfy the given curve. Therefore, it's not a double point. But 3 comma 2 is a double point. So we have find out the position of the double point. Now we have to find out the nature of the double point. Look here. First method, there are two methods to find out. I have already explained the method of working rule to find out the double point. So look here. First method, del square f by del x square is equal to, here we have find out the del f by del x already. Again we have to differentiate this one. What we have, 6x minus 14. 6x minus 14. And at the double point, what is the double point? We have got 3 comma 2. At this point, that is where we have to substitute the value of x as 3 and y as 2 to these equations. What we have? x is equal to 3. 6 into 3 is equal to 18. 18 minus 14 is equal to 4. Right? This is del square f by del x square. And what we have? Del square f by del y square is equal to minus 2. That is del square f by del f by del y is nothing but is equal to 0. Is it? Sorry. Del f by del y is equal to minus 2y plus 4. So del square f by del y square is nothing but minus 2. So del square f by del x del y. Look here, del f by del y is minus 2y plus 4. Again, partial differentiate with respect to x is, there is no x term here. All these terms are constant. So therefore, the differentiation of constant is 0. Next, consider this del is equal to dou square f by dou x dou y whole square minus dou square f by dou x square into dou square f by dou y square. So dou square f by dou x into dou y, this is 0. 0 minus 4 into minus 2, that is 8. This is a positive number, therefore double point is a node. And the second method, this is the first method to find out. We can find out this from this method or this method. The another method, that is the shift the origin to the double point 3 comma 2. This is the double point, right? By setting, that is x is equal to x plus 3 and y is equal to y plus 2. Then the transformed equation of the curve. We have to put these x and y values to the given equations. The given equations becomes like this. Look here, the given equation x cube minus y square minus 7x square plus 4y plus 15x minus 13 is equal to 0. By substituting these one, what we have, x plus 3 whole square minus y plus 2 whole square minus 7 into x plus 3 whole square plus 4 into y plus 2 plus 15 into x plus 3 minus 13 is equal to 0. After solving these equations, okay, we have simplified form x cube minus y square plus 2x square is equal to 0. Here, equating the lowest degree term to 0 in the above equation. In this equation, the lowest degree term is, the highest degree is 3 and the lowest degree is 2. And those terms are 2x square minus y square. Equate that to 0. We have y square, 2x square minus y square is equal to 0. That implies y square is equal to 2x square. That is equal to y is equal to plus or minus root 2x. Here, these points are real. These are not imaginary. Obviously, they are not equal to 0. And also, these are distinct also. One is plus and one is minus. So, real and distinct means that double point is a node. From this method, we can find out, or from this method also. Any one method can use to find out the nature of the double point. Next, determine the position and nature of the double point of the curve x cube plus 2x square plus 2xy minus y square plus 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Consider this equation as f of x comma y and find out the del f by del x and del f by del y. Look here, del f by del x as 3x square, x cube is 3x square plus, this is square, right? This is square. X square differentiation is 2x, 2 into 2 is 4x plus x differentiation is 1, therefore 2y plus minus y square acts like a constant with respect to x, therefore 0 plus 5x differentiation is 5, and this is a constant with respect to x. Next, del f by del y is equal to what we have with respect to y. This is constant 0, 0, and with respect to y differentiation is 1. So 2x minus 2y minus 2. Del f by del x is this, del f by del y is this. The double points are obtained by solving these equations, right? Del f by del x is equal to 0 and del f by del y is equal to 0. We know del f by del x is this equation. That is 3x square plus 4x plus 2y plus 5. This is the expression that equal to 0. Consider this as equation number 1. Del f by del y is 2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. Consider this as equation number 2. So here there are two variables with the two equations. So we can solve this and find out the x and y values. So adding these two equations, what we have, 3x square, there is no x square term, so therefore 3x square, plus 4x plus 2x is 6x, 2y minus 2y is 0, 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 is equal to 0. So divide 3 on both sides, what we have, x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is nothing but x plus 1 whole square is equal to 0, right? That implies x is equal to minus 1 comma y minus 1. They are the repeated roots, repeated values. So when x is equal to minus 1, look here, x is equal to minus 1. When x is equal to minus 1, in these two equations, we have substitute x is equal to 1. In any of these two equations, we have to substitute the value of x minus 1. After substituting and solving, this, this is a simple one. After substituting x is equal to minus 1, what we have? Minus 2. Minus 2 is minus 4. This becomes 4. 4 divided by minus 2 is minus 2. Look here, minus 2. We got the y is minus 2. This point satisfies the equation of the curve. Right, minus 1 comma minus 2. After finding these points, these points should satisfy the given curve. Right? If it, then we call that point as a double point. So this is the position of the double point. Now find out the nature of the double point by using this method. Del square f by del x square. We have already find out the del f by del x. 3x square plus 4x plus 2y plus 5. Again differentiate partially with respect to x. What we have? 6x plus 4. Right? So, and del square f by del x square at the point, double point, minus 1 comma minus 2, what we have? 6 into minus 1. That is minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. In the similar way, del square f by del y square, what we have? Del square f by del y square, this is 0, minus 2. This is 0, minus 2. It's exactly a constant. There is no x and y terms. There is no substitution of x and y here. So, therefore, del square f by del y square is equal to minus 2. And del square f by del x into del y is here. Del f by del y is this one. Again, partial differentiate with respect to x. What we have? This is constant 0, 2. We have 2. So then del is equal to, this is at the point minus 1 comma 2. We have to find out these values at the point minus 1 comma minus 2. So delta is equal to dou square f by dou x into dou y whole square minus del square f by del x square into del square f by del y square. What we have? Del square f by del x square means that is nothing but what we have? 2. 2 square minus, this is dou square f by dou x square is nothing but minus 2 into minus 2. What we have? 4 minus, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. 4 minus 4 is 0. Therefore, this double point is a cusp. This is the nature of the double point. Next, determine the position and nature of the double point of the curve x to the power of 4 minus 2 y cube minus 3y square minus 2x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Consider this given equation as f of x comma y as like this, and find out the del f by del x is equal to x to the power of 4 is 4x cube minus 2y cube is with respect to x acts like it's constant. This term is 0, this term is also 0, minus 4x, and this is also become 0. So 4x cube minus 4x. Next, del f by del y is equal to minus 6y square minus 6y, and these terms are act like a constant with respect to y. Then del f by del x is equal to 0. That implies 4x cube minus 4x is equal to 0. Taking 4x as common, then x square minus 1 is equal to x square minus 1 is equal to 0. That is 4x is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 0. And x square minus 1 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 1. X square is equal to 1, that is x is equal to plus or minus 1. We have x points are these 3 points. This is not a point, this is just a comma, right? These 3 points. Next, del f by del y is equal to 0. That is minus 6y square minus 6y is equal to 0. Then what we have? Minus 6y, if we take minus 6y as common, y plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1. These are the 2 points of y. So, then combining these values of x and y in pairs, what we have? 0, 0, 0, minus 1. Next, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1. These are the 6 points. Possible multiple points. These are the possible 6 multiple points, but we have to find out the double point. That these points should satisfy the given curve. This curve, those points we call are the double points. So in these one, after substituting each points to this curve, okay, 0, minus 1 and 1, 0 and minus 1, 0 are the points which satisfies the given equation of the curve. Therefore, these are the multiple points, and we call that multiple point as what we call that multiple point, that is a double point. Right? These are the double point. And so this is the portion of the double points, and we have to find out the nature of the double point. So first we have to consider del square f by del x square. We have already know the del f by del x as what we have 4x cube minus 4x. After again differentiate with respect partially with respect to x, 12x square minus 4. Look here, 12x square minus 4. In the same way, del square f by del y square is minus 12y minus 6. Look here, minus 12y minus 6. Del square f by del x del y is equal to 0 because with respect to x is there is no x term, therefore it is 0. So at the point we have to find out the double point, the nature of the double point for every double point. That is, here 3 double points are there. We have to find out the nature of these 3 double points. At the point 0 comma minus 1, del square f by del x square is what? 0 minus 4 is there. Del square f by del y square is y value is minus 1 minus minus plus 12 minus 6 is 6. Del square f by del x divided by del y is equal to, this is 0. Then delta is equal to, this del is equal to dou square f by dou x dou y whole square minus dou square f by dou x square into dou square f by dou y square is equal to, this term is 0, 0 square is 0 minus of this what this value is minus 4 into 6, that is minus into minus plus 6 4s are 24, and this is greater than 0, therefore it is a, this point 0 comma minus 1 is a node. Next, at the point 1 comma 0, again we have to find out, we already find out the value del square f by del x square, del square f by del y square and del square f by del x into del y. So therefore we have to substitute for this point 1 comma 0. So when substitute the 1 comma 0 to del square f by del x square, del square f by del x square, what we have? 12. This is 12 value, this is 0, 0 minus 6 minus 6. What we have got? This is 12 minus 4 is 8, and look here, 8 we have got. This is minus 6 and this is 0. After substituting these values to this result, dou square f by dou x into dou y whole square, this is 0 minus 8 into minus 6. Minus minus plus 48. That is a positive number. Again, this 1 comma 0 is a node. Next, at the point minus 1 comma 0, what we have? Del square f by del x square is minus 1 comma 0. Again, 12 minus 4 is 8. Here, 0 minus 6 is my y value is 0. 0 minus 6 is minus 6. Look here, and this value is 0. 8 minus 6. The same values are coming for this point also. Therefore, this is a positive one. Therefore, this point is also a node. Next, another one. Find the position and nature of the double point. Y square is equal to x square into x minus 1. Let f of x comma y is equal to y square is equal to and we have to shift this to left hand side. What we have? Minus x cube plus x square is equal to 0. Next, so del f by del x. Del f by del x, partial differentiation of f with respect to x, what we have? Y square differentiation is 0, minus 3x square plus 2x is equal to 0. Then equate this to 0, right? We have to equating this to 0. What we have? Taking x as common, minus 3x plus 2. So this implies what we have? X is equal to, this implies x is equal to 0 or 2 by 3, right? Minus 3x plus 2 is also 0. So x is equal to minus 2 by minus 3 means 2 by 3. Hence, and also next, del f by del y is equal to what we have? 2y only is equal to 0. That is y is equal to 0. So then the possible double points are combining these x and y values in ordered pair. We have to writing 0 comma 0, 2 by 3 comma 0. So in these two equations, the point 2 by 3 comma 0 does not satisfy this equation, this given equation. Here 0 comma 0 is satisfied this equation. Therefore, this 0 comma 0, right? This 0 comma 0 is the only double point. Then find out the what the nature of the double point. So I do the another method also. You can look at this. Look here, I find out del square f by del x square. We have already know that del f by del x as this one. Again, differentiate partially with respect to x. What we have? Minus 6x plus 2. here minus 6x plus 2. Del square f by del y square is 2, constant 2, right? This is just a y. This is just y. And del square f by del y square is equal to y. Here also this is x, but at the point what we have, look here, at 0 comma 0 what we have, this value is del square f by del x square is equal to 2 at the point 0 comma 0, and del square f by del y square is also 2, and del square f by del x into del y is equal to 0 at this point, right? By substituting for these values, we have 0 minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, which is less than 0, therefore it's a conjugate point or an isolate point. There is another way I have explained by shifting the uh, origin, shifting the tangents at the origin, right? What we have, because 0, 0 comma 0 is the double point, by substituting 0 comma 0, what we have is the double point. So therefore, the lowest degree term to 0 means we have got the same equation, right? So, and equating the lowest degree term is here, highest degree is lowest degree, y square plus x square is equal to 0. Y square is equal to minus x square. This is y is equal to plus or minus x. Imaginary point is coming. So therefore, this is a isolated point. In this method or this method, we can find out any one method. Using this one, we have to find out the nature of the double point. Next, show that for the curve y square is equal to ax into sine of x by b, comma a is not equal to b and b is not equal to b is not equal to 0. The origin is a node or a conjugate. Origin is node or a conjugate point according as a and b are the same sign or different signs. If they are a same sign or different sign, then the origin is a node or conjugate. We have to find out. Let f of x comma y is equal to y square, we are shifting that one, minus ax into sine of x by b, that is equal to 0. So del f by del x is equal to partial with respect to x. This is become 0. These are the 2 points. Minus a into first function into differentiation of second function plus second function into differentiation of first function. First function x into differentiation of sine is cos x by b into again differentiation of x by b is 1 by b plus sine x by b into differentiation of x is 1. So next del f by del y is, this is only the x term, this acts like a constant with respect to y. Therefore, this becomes differentiation becomes 0, and y square is equal to 2y. Then del square f by del x. So just I again calculate the partial differentiation because at the origin they have already given that origin as a double point. That double point is a node or conjugate we have to find out. So therefore del square f by del x square had calculate minus a into what we have. Look here. Again there are 2 points, right? What we have, 1 by b is a constant, x into cos xb. Cos xb first function into differentiation of first function. Look here, cos x by b into 1 by x by b means cos x by b into 2 by a minus x by b square. Look here, into sine of x by b, such that after differentiation this one we got, that is just we have to partial differentiation with respect to first function into difference, x into minus sine x by b into 1 by b, that is minus 1 by b square, that is minus x by b square into sine of x by b, sine x by b cos x by b into 1 by b. This is just a 1 by b. Okay. Next, del square f by del y square is 2. Del square f by del x into del y is equal to 0, right? Because del f by del y with respect to x is, there is no x terms, that become act like a constant, then partial derivative is 0. Here just I taken the first function as cos x by b. Okay, first function into differentiation, 1 by b is a constant, right? So therefore just we have to write 1 by b. 1 by b into cos x by b, differentiation of x is 1. Next minus what we have, x by b means minus x divided by b square into sine of x by b. Next, sin x by is cos x by b. into 1 by b, right? That is, again we have got this one, that is divided by 2. Again the two terms we have got, therefore 2 by b. Next, look here, at the point 0 comma 0, they have given 0 comma 0 is the double point, therefore so f of x comma y is equal to 0. We have to find out del f by del x is equal to 0, del f by del y is equal to 0. Look here, del square, consider the del is del square f by del x into del y minus del square f by del x square into del square f by del y is equal to what we have. Look here, what we have, this value is this. At the point 0 comma 0, cos 0 is value is 1 and sin 0 value is 0, this term becomes 0, and minus 2a by b, and this is 2. Look here, minus 2a by b, this is del square f by del x square, into 2 is del square f by del x into del y is 0, and minus 2a by b, this one, into 2. What we have, minus into minus again plus 4a by b, that the origin is a node or a cusp. Here 4a by b, here 4a by b is greater than 0, or it may be equal to 0, or it may be less than 0. They have given a is not equal to b, and a is not equal to 0, and b is not equal to 0. So 4a by b is equal to 0 is ruled out, right? It is not possible because both are not equal to 0 means a by b is also not equal to 0. Hence 0 comma 0 being a cusp is ruled out, right? It's a ruled out. It's not possible, right? Because 4a by b is not possible. Next, the origin is a node if a by b is a positive. A by b is a positive. When it is a positive, if both f and a, if a and b are same sign, is either positive or negative. Then if they are both having same sign, then it becomes positive. If it is positive, then 4a by b is greater than 0. Therefore, the origin is node. The conjugate point is a, if a by b is negative, right? That is if a and b are opposite signs. That is, we have proved that what we have proved, the origin is a node or conjugate according as a and b are of the same sign or different signs. Thank you.